Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and today we're talking about a huge milestone that I hit in my investing career. Technically last Thursday was the milestone, but I was out of service all last week, so this video is a little late. But it's been 1 year since I received my very first dividend payment. Thank you. So I received my first dividend from the appropriately nicknamed monthly dividend company, which is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. When I decided to start building a dividend portfolio and I started doing my research, I came across this popular REIT called Realty Income that pays a pretty solid monthly dividend, and I figured since they tout that dividend so highly, it's probably safe, right? Maybe not the most thorough due diligence, but since then, after looking into them more, I do believe they are a solid company and one that I'm going to keep investing in. Not saying you should do the same because I'm not a financial advisor, but they were one of the first stocks that I actually bought. Now I know you're all dying to know how much I made back then, so drumroll please. Nope, not even that. I made 23 whole cents on October 15th, 2019. So I bought that one share on September 24th for $76.06, which at the time was pretty high. I was in my Robinhood Gold trial, and I believe they gave it a 2-star rating, which means that it might be overvalued. But I bought it anyway because I thought they were a solid company. With a long-term outlook, things might always look overvalued, but when you realize what it might cost years down the road, it's probably cheaper to just buy it now than to wait until it hits that fair value. As long as they actually are a solid company and you've done proper due diligence, unlike me back then. That's why I harp on dollar cost averaging so much, because it takes out that small little aspect of trying to time the market and get in on a stock when it hits that fair value or undervalue. Just consistently investing your money has proven to be the best strategy for most people. Since then, the current price is down to $59.10. And I know what some of you are thinking now. Well, that was a bad investment, Nick. You're down almost $17. Clearly you know nothing about investing. Dislike, unsub. And to that, I say, wrong. With everything that's been going on, the price has gone down a bit, but I never panic sold, and I've done what I just talked about and continued to buy. If I thought it was a good investment at $76, it's even better at $59. I've actually been able to lower my average cost to $56.66, so I'm actually up around $14 on all my shares because I've bought some cheaper than what it's even currently priced at. Take that, haters. It's cool to see these concepts actually be put into the real world and work out. So overall, I'm up about 4% on the stock price, not a huge return, and I've made $8.29 in dividends. Again, not huge, but a little math tells me that I've increased that dividend 465% over the last year. So if I can just keep increasing it that much every single year, I'll be in pretty good shape. Although I'll need to find a way to invest a little more into them, because I don't think reinvesting my $1.30 in dividends every month is going to get me there. But we'll see. The real question here is, why is Realty Income's ticker symbol the letter O? Is it like, oh, that's a nice dividend? Or, since an O is an infinite circle, it represents the eternal struggle between good and evil? Anyway, let me know in the comments below what your first dividend was and what your dividend from that same company is today. I hope you learned something from watching this and that it motivates you to start investing. I'm going to ask you to YouTube mumbo jumbo that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification. I would truly appreciate it. And until next time, let's continue to grow this beanstalk.